Well, howdy there, folks. It is about 6:15 a.m. and the new project has just arrived. It is time to pull it in here, take a look at it, figure out what we're gonna do, make a game plan, and hit it. So, let's take a look at it. So, here's the project. It is an old boat that is an ugly, like, banana yellow, which we hate. Can't stand it. And so, we are going to repaint this top section, everything that you can see, that blue color that I showed you. So I guess let's just get working on it and see how it goes.
Two hours later.
Well guys, we got the whole thing sanded and washed down the first time. It's still chalky, so we gotta wash it again. So let's clean out our bucket and then do a quick rinse down on it. And then we're ready to let it dry, mask off the aluminum that we don't want painted, and start prepping for paint. Well, we have to run and get more masking tape, so we'll be right back. It is all masked, it is ready to start painting, so I guess let's just start mixing some paint and it's time to get going on this thing. It is 9 p.m. and we gotta get this done. So let's just start going at it. Well, we got our Bulldog adhesion promoter, so this stuff helps the paint stick like crazy. So we want to use this on this especially because it's fiberglass, it's gonna move a little bit. We don't want the paint to crack. So let's use this and mix some paint, tack cloth it, and start spraying. Sorry about the lines on my face from the mask. It's painted. And I am appalled. But all we can do is wait till it dries and see what happens. I am pretty disgusted with how it turned out. I mean, yeah, I'm not happy. I don't know what to say. It almost seems like it reacted to this stuff or something because it's got like little polka dots all over in it. Or I just plain and simply did something wrong, which is possible. I'm not some pro. So yeah, the boat is painted, and let's wait and see how it dries. We gotta go to bed and see what happens. Actually, first, although the masking is very simple and it's right along the edge, that should be fine. Let's just take it off, and better safe than sorry. The unmasking is done, and it is time to go to bed, and we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. Well, folks, guess what? The boat is painted. I am not happy with it because I'm a perfectionist, but it is blue, and the owner is happy, and he is coming to pick it up tonight. So let's finish this thing up, and then we're gonna flip this over and put it on his new trailer. Here is the boat. It is blue. Quite surprising. So we need to put this hook in here for the whatever you call it to hook to. And then we need to put these handles on the back right here. And then also we have these, which I'm not sure we're gonna put back on. They were riveted on, but I'm not sure what we're gonna do with those. There's 3 holes here now. So we'll probably wait and see what the owner wants. But as you can see, this is where it laid on very nicely, but afterward it got like all these tiny little holes in it. Like extremely bad orange peel. So I'm pretty disgusted with it, but he's happy. It is blue, it's not banana yellow anymore. That's what he cared about. So here it is. And there we have it, guys. A blue boat. And just like that, the garage is empty again. That was quite the one-day project to just get that done with. I'm happy, he's happy. I'm not happy with the paint, but I'm happy in general. And the garage is empty. We are ready to move on to some other stuff. So we're gonna have to clean this place up and get it ready for the next project. But I guess that's going to be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Holy cow, that was the first try. That's impressive. Not sure I've ever done that before.